lovely people. How are you? Let me know in the comments down below how your day is going. Mine is doing great because anytime I have an unboxing, it is doing amazing. So before I begin, if you don't know, I do have a giveaway Actually, I have two giveaways going on right now. A 30K giveaway, and then I also have the Sephora I forgot how the heck to say it now. It's the laptop computer. I'll leave a picture right here. I have that hidden away in one of the past videos. And make sure that you are subscribed and you have the notification bell on, because I have a few videos up my sleeve. One will be up any day now. And once we also, make sure you share my videos, because once we get to 35,000, in my 30,000 giveaway, we will be having 3 winners. But in the 35,000, we will be having 5 winners. So depending on how fast we get there, there could be a 35,000 giveaway coming up this month as well. I already started shopping for it, and it is epic, if I have to say so myself. But enough for me chit-chatting. If you read from my title, I have 2 unboxings to do. So I have the June 2019 Tribe Beauty Box. This is the subscription box. And then I have the limited edition box. I will tell you about that. But first, let's talk about this puppy. So this is a bi-monthly subscription. This is $34, and you do pay for shipping. And it's a pretty new company. It's not new, but it's, you know, I don't think it's a year old yet. I don't think so. I could be wrong. But yeah, I really like it. They're really improving every time we get this. And I like the fact that it is every other month. It's not every month. And the owner, Billy, she is Canadian. So this is a Canadian subscription. So yeah, let's just get started. And the other one is a limited edition. It was for like $4.20, so it's CBD oil subscription box, so we'll get to that. But just in case you want to see what is in the June box, I will show you, and I will leave all the information down below as well as the link. So when you open it up, it says a Tribe Beauty Box. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. All right, so I like this because it does tell you what everything is, and then it gives you a prices. And I don't know what is going on with my lighting. I cannot get it for the life of me. All right, so let's just pull out the first thing that I see. So this is from Wonder Beauty. This is a Dive-In Moisturizing Cream, and I really like Wonder Beauty. Why is that so dark? I don't know. I'll get better at this lighting thing. All right, so I have tried the mascaras before. I have tried, what else? The lipsticks before from Wonder Beauty. I've tried a primer. I've never tried a moisturizer, but hey, you know, why not? So let's see what this puppy says. This is $36, and this is a lightweight and non-greasy gel cream texture, absorbs quickly and works well with makeup for a beautiful complexion. It is enriched with, I have no idea how to say that word, pentavitsin? I don't know. I'll leave it down right here. Which blends water to the skin and creates a moisture barrier, providing up to 72 hours of deep hydration. All right, so let's see what it looks like. All right, so that's what it looks like. Oh, we also had a peel-off mask that looked like this, and I did like too. All right, so that's good. All right, what else did we get? So this is from Dr. Botanicals. All right, so this is a Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil, and I love facial oils. What I like a lot about facial oils, I like to put, right before I put my makeup on, I put it right here, so that way it doesn't look so dry. And let's see, how much is this? So this is $26. Let me see the size on this. All right, so this is a decent size because oils will, you'll last a while with this. All right, so that's good. What else? So then we got this Sinfully Angelic Diamond Lip Gloss. Now I know there were different colors that you could have got. And this is $18. So let's see what I got. Does it say on the box? I think it says Cassie 805. Come on. All right, so that's pretty. I love lip gloss. I know a lot of people aren't into lip glosses, but I do. Oh, is that a lip gloss? No, that's not a lip gloss. Right there. It might have shine to it, but if that's a lip gloss, it's pretty opaque. And I ain't knocking it. So that's really gorgeous though. Maybe it is. It's just, I don't know. I don't know. Let's just move on. All right, the next thing we got are these brushes. Crown brushes right there. Let's see what this says. This says it's $19. Crown brush rose gold eye set. Well, where the heck do you see rose? Maybe because this right here, this color, but I don't see rose gold unless they're talking about that. I'm not going to open this. I have a lot of brushes, and to be honest, I wouldn't use these, so I will definitely put this in a giveaway. Maybe one of you guys will get some use out of it. And last but not least, we have this eyeshadow palette. Now, I have got this eyeshadow. I have a couple of these actually I got. So this will actually go in a future giveaway as well. That might be in a few days. We don't know. You have to be subscribed and turn the bell on so you can see when the video goes up. So let me just show you what it looks like. This is $20 and it's really pretty. Let me make sure I don't touch it. All right, so it comes with a mirror and that's what it looks like right there. It's really, really pretty. All right, let me put that on. So let's recap what we got in the June's box. So you got this really pretty eyeshadow palette. Put the thing back on. And then we got this lip. It might be because it's sticky. Maybe it's just like opaque because you see the shine on that. All right, so we got that, which I'm excited to get. We got this moisturizer cream from Wander Beauty, which I am excited because I haven't found anything that I haven't liked from this company. Then we have this facial oil from Dr. Botanicals, which I love face oil, so I am loving that. And is that it? I think that was everything that we got. Oh, and this. This I don't care for. I'd rather get like one nice blending brush than having a set of what? 4 things that is I would not use, put it that way. You know what I mean? I'd rather have one good one. All right, so that is that. I will put right here how much the total value came to. So with a try box, now last year I believe they did have a limited edition box for her birthday. This year to celebrate 420, she came out with a box, a limited edition, and I'll let you know right here if it is still available, because now you can only get it through Amazon if it's still available. And it was in a box, and this was on top. So we have an eyeshadow palette, and I do know she picked out everything. Even here, she picked out all the colors herself. So since this was on top, well, let me open the box because the card might be in there. All right, so this is really pretty packaging, a Galaxy, and that's what it looks like right there. All right, so here's what the card looks like. Let me see if I can move this light. Maybe it's the light. Let's see. I don't know if that did anything or not. I don't know. All right, so this palette is $34.99. It's a Ruby May Cosmetics. It's a Purple KUSH palette. And it says Purple KUSH was specially created for this limited edition box in collaboration with Ruby May Cosmetics. This palette does not contain any CBD. And then it says the shades. All right. So let's see. That's what it looks like right there. Then you slide that out. That's what it looks like. Oh, that's pretty. So you have a mirror. Let's take this out. And I'm going to do some swatches right there. So we have Strain, Bubba, High Times, Northern Lights, OG. What does that say? I can't read it. Blackberry, Indica, and Swisher. I need to get my glasses. I really do, but there we go. All right, so I'm going to swatch the first 3. Oh, they feel nice too. They're not gritty at all. That's pretty. All right, let's do some swatches right here. That is the first three. That is so pretty. The purple's a little patchy, but purple's hard to make. So let me go in. I always say that, look at that, it's definitely buildable. I'd rather it not be as pigmented and you can build it up, okay? So then we have, I'm gonna do the next three right here. Well, that's pretty. These feel really, really silky. All right, so there we go. Go right there. There we go with my awful swatches. Let's see. I got to get better at these swatches. I really do. Let me go in one more time. Let's see. There we go. Right there. All right. And the last three are like all purple here. Oh, this is such a... She did a good job with picking out these colors. Oh, that purple was horrible. Let me go in again with that purple. That was horrible. Let's try it again. Okay, that's much better once you go in. So there we go, if you guys can see. I am not good at making swatches. All right, so that's pretty. Look at my hands. Do I have something to wipe my hands off? Let's see. Let me grab my e.l.f. wipes. All right. All right, so there we go. We got that. So that's $34.99. Definitely excited about that. This is a 20% off of any order of Tribe. Let's see, July 30th, 2019. PRIVY Peach. When I get to that, there must be something in here with that name. All right, so then we have this thing right here in this velvet bag. Okay, so we have a Jade roller. All right, I love these things. This is, where you be? Okay, so this is from Love AIKI. As a matter of fact, I'll leave it down below. I had just did, they have a subscription box, skincare, all natural. I just did their box this month. Yeah, this month. So I really liked it. So this is $35.99. You can also get this on their website. And it says, this Jade facial roller is an incredible tool for inner and outer beauty. Facial rolling is relaxing and de-stressing. Physically, it helps to firm the look of skins through gentle massage. It also aids in supporting the lymphatic system, the body's main major detoxification system. Well, what I use this for is I use it when I put sheet masks on. So what I'll do is I'll take the smaller part and I'll like do it where my eyes are to kind of, in my head, I think the serums and stuff will go in my pores better. And then this one I'll go, you know, all over. But you can also put this in the freezer too, or in the refrigerator, get nice and cold to help depuff your eyes if you have, you know, like bags or anything. But they say, you know, you're supposed to do this and with your neck, and I don't know if it really helps, to be honest, but I think they're great for like sheet masks and stuff. So all right, like that. Then we have this Glow Away. This is a charcoal detoxifying peel off mask. Ooh, I wonder if this probably has CBD oil on it. I betcha. Where is it? All right, so this is $36. This is a Glow Away CBD peel off mask. It says this mask perfects your skin by pulling out impurities from deep inside your pores. With 40% activated charcoal, this formula will clean your pores instantly, brighten your skin. This mask contains 0.2% THC. Yes. All right, let's see. Come on. All right, so it has a safety seal on, so I'm not going to open it. I don't really smell anything, but it's just a black mask, so I'm definitely excited to try this. I'm going to try this tonight. All right, what else? We got this. Okay, that's what that coupon was. This is PRIVY Peach Frost My Life Up Glow. So we have a lip gloss right here. And then here is a code if you want to save 20% off of this brand, if you can see. Right there. All right, how much is this? So this is $22. Holy crap. This is a Very Cherry Vanilla or Frost My Life. So I got the Frost My Life lip gloss right there. So it's just like a lip gloss. All right, what else did we get? So 2 more things we got. And these are little sample things. So we have by PRIVY Peach. This is an ultra sensitive blend intimate oil, CBD 25 milligrams right there. So we have that. So what is this? I can't really read it. Not for sale. Used with latex condoms. Oil made. What the heck is this? Let's see if it says. I don't see it on here. I don't know. All right, well, okay, I got this in a slut box before. This is a face mask. It says, make my ex want to get it back on, and you just add it with water or something, and then it gets it bigger. You know, this is like for travel or anything like that. So it says it's $10. This says, this sheet mask activates with water, aloe vera, or any essential liquids. It detoxifies and restores the moisture of your skin. Directions. Moisturize with water, aloe vera, or a DIY recipe of your own decompress. Allow sheet masks for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is an intimate oil, so I'm guessing it's, you know, I don't want to say because I'll get demonetized. There's my little magnifying glass. Let's read and see what it says. Let me get my little magnifying glass. Does it say? It says with full spectrum CBD oil, has it's natural and organic, you know. Yeah, so you guys know what that is. All right, so let's recap what we got for this box. This box was, I want to say maybe, was it $50? I can't remember. I'll leave it right here. So we have a sheet mask. We have a little sample of, you know. We have a Jade roller, which I really do like these things. What else did we get? We got this lip gloss right here. We got this eyeshadow palette, which, I mean, I really like this. So this is what, $34.99? So $35. The colors are beautiful. I think she did a good job with picking that out. And is that everything? Yeah, I guess that's everything that's in this box. Oh, and then this mask that has the CBD oil in it. So the charcoal mask. So that's everything in that box. Let me know what you think. Did you think... Oh, I thought it cut me off. So did you think that this was worth it, both boxes? Let me know. Would you get this CBD box if it was still available? Let me know. Let me know what you thought about this box. And for the bi-monthly subscription, do you get it? I like it. I mean, I have seen months that were better than this, but I don't think it's bad. And I think she is definitely improving as time goes on. I love it. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this box. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to like this video. It really does help me out. Make sure that you are subscribed. Turn that bell notification on. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Don't forget to let me know how your day is. I don't know if I said it again, but I'm getting off of here because I'm babbly. All right, guys, as always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.